So we got 2 points here. Given the 2 points, we're going to use this information and we're going to find out the slope, and we're going to find out the y-intercept, and we're going to create the equation. We're going to find out the equation from the 2 points that's given. So the formula is to find out the slope. We need the slope first. I'm just going to get that. So you have to write down your formula first. For all the questions you are looking in front of you, each single one of them, I want to see the formula. Let's see the formula first. And then equals y2, y1, x1, x2. Which one is x1, which one is x2, which one is y1, which one is y2? That's totally up to you. So what do you guys think? This one should be the first one or the second one? You tell me. It doesn't matter which one you choose. Do you want to name this one the first one or that one the first one? Pick one. This is first. So this will be the number 1. That makes this one the number 2. So the formula m equals y2 minus division. y2 is go to 2, and y's are always here. The second one is the y. So write down 2 minus y1 is right over here, 1, and now x2, remember number 2 is here. Don't pick up this one yet. x2 is minus 17, and minus x1 is, now watch this one carefully, it's minus 3, so I'm gonna write down minus 3. That makes this a multiplication. M equals 2 minus 1 is 1. But how about that? Minus 17 minus 3. We got 2 signs next to each other. We have to multiply. And when we need to multiply, you can think about this as minus 1 times minus 1. You can use the calculator or not. That will give you plus sign, minus 17. Negative 1 times negative 1 is plus. Now the question turns into plus 3, and m equals 1 divided by 14, and negative sign goes up. In this case, we find out the slope. That's your first job to do with all the questions. Find out the slope. Once we know the slope, now we're going to find out what the y-intercept is. And the formula for that is this. Let's copy that. And let's go back. We need more space here. Let's paste it here. So that's my formula. What I'm going to write down for y. Let's go all the way up. Pick one of the points. Doesn't matter which. You can pick that. You can pick this. Doesn't matter. And I don't like to deal with the big numbers. So minus 72, it seems to me big number, and minus 3, 1, this is a smaller number. So I'm going to go with this one. So over here, y is 1. Y is 1. And slope is what I find out, which is minus 1 divided by 14. And x is, that's y, and this is x. minus 3. So I'm going to write down minus 3 here. But please do pay attention. This is a multiplication. M times x. This is a multiplication plus b. B is the y-intercept. I need to find out. And now all I have to do is find out what those numbers will be equal to. This will be 1 equal, that will be negative times negative will give you positive sign. And 1 times 3 is 3 divided by 14 plus b. Now I'm going to leave b alone. I need more space here. I'm going to leave b alone. That means equation 1, I'm just going to put it a little bit to the left. So plus 3 divided by 14 becomes minus 3 divided by 14. And now what do I do is, watch this how I do it. Fourteen times 1 is 14. Minus 3 is 11. 11 divided by 14 is your y-intercept. Did you see how I did that? So let me elaborate this part clearly. What I did here was 1 minus 3 divided by 14 is 14 times 1 minus 3 divided by 14. And that is 14 minus 3, 11 divided by 14. And that is my y-intercept. And if you want me to write down the equation, y equals mx plus b, I'm going to be done like this. Y equals, what is m? M is minus 1 divided by 14. Minus 1 divided by 14 x. And then b, I find out 11 divided by 14 plus 11 divided by 14. Done.